This is a question from Melissa Saunders. So Melissa says, what is the most effective way to convert sales from views approximately? And how much per month to maintain this for one product? Okay, so let's just break down into that and go deep into it. So let's do, because we were just looking at rolling pins. Oops. Come on, Asher, get your shit together, mate. Rolling, ooh, I nearly put rolling shit there. Oh my God, it's going to be one of those nights, I can tell. All right, so rolling pins. So let's think about firstly how Amazon works. So these products now, you could say, have had a view because we're now able to see them on the Amazon search engine results page. So strictly speaking, they have had a view, i.e. we've been able to see them and view them, okay? Just like if we clicked through, doink. Now these things have had a view, okay? Notice that the only stainless steel rolling pin, how interesting, the only rolling pin like that on the first two pages, that should be somebody setting that up to go compete with that. Anyway, so that's a view, okay? So now you've got to think to yourself how to optimize at this particular stage of the game a view into the next thing that needs to happen for you to make a sale, which is a click, okay? So they start here, they come to Amazon, they type something in, they get a view of your listing on the Amazon search engine results page, they click through, and so the next thing that must happen is they add it to cart or buy now, okay? So there's two sorts of views. There's a view that happens here on the Amazon search engine results page, and a view that happens here on your Amazon product details page. And Amazon tracks them differently, okay? So that's the first thing to understand. All right, so let's talk about optimizing at each stage of the game. So you tell me, let's play along. You tell me, what have I got on this particular page, this Amazon search engine results page? What are the things that makes the most difference as to whether or not I get a click from this view? What takes me to the next page? Reviews, says Lauren. So these are these here. Absolutely. Reviews are very, very important. What else? Image, says Chrissy. So this image here, which is your hero image from your product details page. That's that one there. That is very, very important. What else? Price, says Shane. So this price here with the strike through followed by that. Very, very important. So they are the three big things, but there's one more big thing. Text, says Maddie, which is really what we call the title. Okay, so we've got four things we can mess around with. Hero image, title, reviews, and price. So that's what we can control to make sure more and more people click through, okay? That's what we get. So, first thing to know is if you are not getting the number of people who view your page here to click onto it here, then that's what you need to check first. Those four things. One of those four things is a miss. One of those four things is a miss. Okay? Next, let's go onto this page. So, what do you reckon as far as taking into consideration everything we've just looked at, is the important things from this page to get you to the next place, which is a sale. Somebody clicking on this buy now button over here. What's next? Images, says Elaine. Absolutely. So once they get here, the first thing they will do, according to Amazon, is look at the images. Okay? So you've got to make sure your images are super sexy and they really, really speak to the customer who's potentially thinking of buying your products. What else? Anything else? So we've already seen hero image, title, they already know the price and they already know how many reviews you've got. So what else would really matter at this particular junction? Bullet points, says Shajil. Absolutely. So people will 100% read these bullet points without a shadow of a doubt. Okay. Free delivery and the delivery date. Absolutely. So you want to make sure your FBA, of course, wherever you can. If you're not FBA, your FBM, fulfilled by merchant, in which case you want to include the delivery price in the final price so that you don't need to surprise anybody with that, okay? So they're your main things that you can alter. So, Melissa, now we've kind of covered all that basis. If something's going wrong with the amount of people who view your listing, do you guys know how to check how many people view your listing versus buy it? You guys know how to do that? Or do you want me to just show you? I'll just show you. If something's going wrong between that, then they're the things you have to check. The other thing that we haven't really talked about is the search term that you're ranking for. Obviously, that has to be the right search term for your product, but all things being equal, that's what you want to check, okay? All right, so what the report you want to run is this one here, which is called your unit session percentage report. So this is from Seller Central. Go to reports, go to business reports, and then you'll come to this page and you need details page, sales and traffic by child item. And then you want to have your session percentage, unit session percentage here. So unit session percentage, you can see this one is 14.62, which is good, 15% is a very solid average for you. If you are getting less than 10%, there is a problem that you need to go fix. However, with that like blanket statement being made, some categories have got lower unit session percentage than others. So clothing, for instance, anything with fabric in it, for instance, shoes, for instance, all have lower unit session percentages. There's heaps of reasons for that. And some categories have higher unit session percentages on average. Scientific equipment, tools also has high unit session percentage. Things like that, okay? But overall, around 15% is very, very good. It's very, very good, okay? So, if, Melissa, you are looking to convert sales from views into sales, that is where you start. Run this report on your product, see what's going on. You want to make sure that that's within the region where I've just mentioned to you, and then you check the things that I've already gone through to make sure that there's nothing untoward with your product. So that is the best way you can do that, Hum. Hope that helps. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.